There's another video of me trying something online that they just make it look so easy, step by step. Really though? Really though? I'm Batty Brea. This is my channel. Hi, welcome. Yes, my face is shiny. I tried a new foundation. Don't like it. Just been sitting here chilling and got on Pinterest and I saw this look. Holiday Glam Smokey Eye. Excuse me? What? Damn. And I thought I can do that. I think. So that's what we're gonna try to do. First step, line with brown pencil. Done. Smudge out with pencil brush. She has a better brown pencil than I do, of course, because I just work with what I have and what I got. Actually, I'm gonna cheat a little and I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. Well, it looks closer to hers now. Okay, add brown to lower lash line. And then it says next add black liner to your waterline, but I noticed she also smudged the brown out. So I'm gonna do it exactly how I did it on top, where I smudged it out and then added some of the conceal and contour, concealer defined concealer. Yeah. I'm doing it. Alright, I have essence for my eyeliner. Oh, is add black liner to the lower lash line, right? Because I should smudge it more. Do I look like her yet? Add dark shimmer shadow on top. So the only dark shimmer shadow I have, because I feel like this got pretty black, so I'm gonna use the only black shimmer I have, which is in my Venus Fling Bailey Syrian Estate palette. I know, I use this palette a lot. Take this brush, and the shade is called Venus Fling. Getting there. Apply gold shimmer with fingers. I got fingers, got it. All right, and I have Hourglass, Scattered Light, Glitter Eyeshadow Foil. This stuff is serious, look at that. So. I feel like it's a lot more gold than hers. Let's just keep going. Blend out with eyeshadow brush. I don't know if she means the one she used. So it looks like it's the same brush she used with the dark shimmer shadow. So, all right, let's do this. We're getting somewhere. Add silver shimmer in the inner corner. I have a silver called Silver in this palette. It's silver. And then she just adds black mascara. It does not look like hers. because my eyes are so hooded. Because she's like this whole time in the video. No, this still doesn't look like her. I'm gonna blend all this out more, way higher, because why not? I'm gonna go back in with Venus Fling and just add some more right here, where I usually have to add some extra anyways because I have a vein. It's on both my eyes, but that shows and it throws everything off. And I believe the shimmer in this Venus Fling is gold. Do a blending brush with nothing on it and fix this catastrophe right here. Barely fixed. Let's just add mascara. That was the last step. Maybe it just all comes together. Alright, well, I followed all the steps. I'm gonna do the other eye and yeah, be back in 1 second for you. I'm back. This eye was a lot faster to do because I wasn't like, you know, I think it only took me 2 minutes. Put some lip stuff on. I think I was wrong. I can't do it. Well, you know, I did what she said. What it is I don't have an eye shape like that. And my brows are not as bomb as hers, okay? I think I will do this look again though because it was fun and it really wasn't that hard, but it looks a little messy. It looks a little, I don't know. Maybe also because my face is just so damn shiny from the new foundation I was trying. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, whatever you want. Send me stuff to try. We'll see if it really works. I don't know. Bye.